Today we're going to talk about the habit that forces your brain to stop consuming. You are focusing on consuming a lot of content unintentionally, that your brain dopamine is fixated on what you're consuming and you enjoy it. And the new generation is destroying themselves by doing so. Their attention span has come to 15 seconds to 30 seconds. They cannot focus more than that on anything because they are fixated on that. Every social media reel and shorts have destroyed their life. They are just fixated. They are scrolling on mobile hours and hours and hours. Even a newborn child cannot focus more than 15 seconds on anything. He or she knows that you have to scroll and go to the next reel, to the next reel, and to the next reel. And by doing so, you train your brain to focus for 15 to 30 seconds max on something. And that's very dangerous in real life, because real life is not just like a reel. It does not change on 15 seconds or 30 seconds. You have to live with a family for a lifetime. You have to live with a partner for a lifetime. You cannot do that because you are fixated. You are somehow wrongly wired your brain to the 15 seconds to 30 seconds thingy, that everything in your life has a short span. Otherwise it is not giving you dopamine, and it is increasing your cortisol levels, and you are getting stressed. What you have to do is, first thing, destroy your bad habits. And how you do it? Replace it with the good ones. Start focusing on yourself. Start introducing new habits slowly, maybe, but you have to start introducing new habits. There may be drawing, painting, or any hobby you like, but start them rather than using mobile all the day. Start your habit, and just you have one day for one habit, and just fixate on that and spend at least 4 to 5 hours writing about it, thinking about it, doing that habit, whether it's painting or something. It will replace your mobile screen time, and you will become a person that you have never known before. The capabilities you have now after replacing the screen time. Adjust your dopamine, because your dopamine is now fixated on the past behavior or habits. It's like handling an addicted person. He might relapse and he might go back to the old habits. So you have to be very careful about that, because a new phone or a new laptop might take you back to your addiction, because you will use it. Everybody loves a new phone or a new laptop. You have to use it, and you use it for the going back to your basic addiction. Just to be careful about that. One of the basic ideas to get away from these addiction is stop consuming and start creating. If you're addicted to shorts, try to create ones for yourself. Try to tell your story. Try to tell the experiences you have. Try to tell the bad experiences you had with people, and how to avoid them, and how did you avoid them. This is how you improve, and you can help others as well. And from consuming, you will start creating, and that's more fun, more likely that you will get away from the screen time. And if you use the screen time, you'll use it for a positive and a reinforcing purpose. One thing you have to remember is, don't get bored of the new habit, because creating is not easy. You have to consume a bit of content and then create one of your own. What you want to say, what you want to tell, and just to be honest, be real. Talk whatever you want to talk about. Be real. Tell the experience by yourself, because what we do is we try to learn first from others when they have these experiences, and we try to fakely like copy them. It's not real. People want to hear about what you really are, what you're really capable of. People want to hear that. So try to be that person that is original, and try to fixate this problem and by a positive reinforcement. Hope to see you in another video. Take care. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe.